welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Hi, my name is Jennifer, and today we're going to be doing something a little different. We are going to be doing some housework today. Yes, this is my bathroom sink, and yes, these here are all my lotions and potions that I use that are open. I don't use all of these on a daily basis, but I do use all of these that are open. And down here these are my empties, save for those two things on top here. We'll just put those off to the side right now. Those right here are my empties right here. And here are my skincare backups. Now, right here, I have a drawer that is pretty much empty that I want to put my backups into. So we are going to be cleaning off my sink today. And I share this sink with Aaron. He's already done me the favor of cleaning up most of his stuff. There's his stuff right there. And yes, I need to clean off the mirror. I do splash a lot of water when I do my skincare, yes. And so, yeah, I will, of course, fast forward through most of the cleaning portion. So, yeah, if you like these kind of videos, let me know, and I will do more. I've got lots of places in my house that need cleaning up, but this is the main thing right now, that I'm not decluttering anything right now. I just want to, and I know I'm not going to be able to fit all of that in my drawer. I just want to get that box more manageable. So, because I know I've got more skincare stuff coming in. And so, yeah, if you're new to my channel, my name is Jennifer. I do mostly makeup stuff, but sometimes I throw in things like this. I do unboxings and sometimes talk about mental health, and doing things like this definitely will help with my mental health. And so, yeah, if you like all that, I hope you will subscribe and become part of my channel. Hit that notification bell, set it to all, so that you're notified every time that I upload a video. So let's go ahead and get to it. And yeah, okay, let's start. that is it for the sink. Let me get you here. Okay, this is the sink, much cleaner now. So is the mirror. I'm so happy to have the mirror cleaned up now. And although we didn't declutter much, the sink is much cleaner. So, yeah, okay. Now let's get to this drawer here and put some things in it. Okay, just a sec. Okay, I can't get a good view in here, so we are just going to do this by hand. Okay, here we've got some Alamasca spray, a couple of things. Let's see if this will, no, it won't close or not. So we're going to keep these out. A couple of spongels to keep in there. I'm going to keep that out. A couple of Earth Harbor things. This Rodale, I think I'm going to be using that soon. This hyaluronic mask I will put in there. These eye masks from Stella and Grace I will put in here. What is this? Oh, eye cream. Yeah, I'll put it in here. More hyaluronic acid. Yeah, I will put it in here. This Wish cleaning balm I will put in here. This Charlotte cleanser, definitely put it in here. Will that close? Yeah, that'll close. This body oil I'll put in here so it won't break. I think this is some more hyaluronic acid. This is some kind of serum I'll put in here. Harbor stuff and some vitamin C I'll put in here. I think this is even more hyaluronic acid I'll put in here. More hyaluronic acid. Oh my gosh, I do not need any more of that. Some more eye masks I will put in here. Some Korres cleanser I will put in here. Cups of my fat glow serum. Glow. Whew, I'm getting out of breath. Glow. Now, what's it called? Glow facial. I will put in here. What else we got? Oh, this is a cleanser. Facial cleanser. I will put in here, but I think I need to lay it flat. Get a lot of stuff in here. Oh, here's another fat facial. Wander face oil. I'll put in here. Pharmacy Feeling Good. More hyaluronic acid. Oh my gosh. This, I think this is eye. Let me see this. Brightening eye cream, Sunshine Dew, antioxidant cleaning oil. I'll put in here more Earth Harbor, Aurora, Illuminance. It looks like I'll be able to put most everything in here. Dr. Brandt eye cream, more eye cream. And some Bakuchiol serum booster I will put in there. I'll put in there. Okay, so that is my backup drawer. Sorry if I was a little shaky on that. But, yeah. I'm sorry that box is so dirty, but I am going to put a couple of things that I know that I'm going to be using soon back in there. That again is my empties. Okay, there is my empties drawer again. And here is my sink again. And my mirror, hello again. It is me. And I am going to go ahead and finish this video. Thank you for coming along and cleaning with me. I greatly appreciate you. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down in the comment section. And I hope you're having a wonderful, fantastic day today. If you're not, I hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have a wonderful, fantastic day. And if you're having an especially hard time, know that I am thinking about you and sending you out those good vibes. And remember to stay strong, stay safe, and stay healthy. And I will see you in another video tomorrow. Just stay well until then. Okay, goodbye.